Hello my dear children, welcome to English class. In this class we are going to start our next chapter. The chapter name is The Seed of Truth, written by Sudha Murthy. Before that, which are the qualities we want to develop? Yes, honest, kindness, hope, truth. So these are the qualities we want to develop. So in this chapter we can see a boy who was rewarded by the king for a special quality he had. Okay, now we can study the lesson. So the chapter name is The Seed of Truth, written by Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy is the chairperson of the Infosys Foundation. She is involved in a number of social development initiatives and is also a widely published writer. Her popular books include Grandma's Bag of Stories, The Magic of the Lost Temple, and How I Taught My Grandmother to Read, and other stories. So these are the popular works for Sudha Murthy. Okay, so listen dear children. Long ago, Gandhara was ruled by the just and good king, Vidyadhara. His subjects were very happy, but as the king grew older, everyone got more and more worried. The king did not have any children who could take over the reins of the kingdom after him. The king was an avid gardener. He spent a lot of time tending his garden, planting the finest flowers, fruit trees and vegetables. One day, after he finished working in the garden, he proclaimed, "I will distribute some seed to all the children in the kingdom. The one who grows the biggest, healthiest plant within 3 months will become the prince or the princess." Okay, so now we can see the new words meaning. Just, that means fair and honest. Just, fair and honest. Subjects, people of kingdom. Subjects, people of kingdom. Reins, that means responsibility. Reins, responsibility. Avid, that means expert. Avid, expert. Proclaimed, announced. Proclaimed, announced. Now we can see the explanation of the first paragraph. The name of the king is Vidyadhara. He ruled the kingdom of Gandhara. He was very truthful. People of the kingdom, they were very happy at the time of his rule. But when the king grew older, everyone got worried. The king was very expert gardener. He loved gardening. Here you can see the king. Okay, now he is in his garden. One day he was busy with his flowers, trees and vegetables. Okay, flowers, trees and vegetables in his garden, and then just after that he made an announcement that he will be distributing some seeds among the children in his kingdom, and the one who will grow the biggest plant out of it within the period of 3 months will become the prince or the princess. So dear children, listen. The next day there was a long line of anxious parents and the children outside the palace. Everyone was eager to get a seed and grow the best plant. Pingala, a poor farmer's son, was among these children. Like a king, he too was fond of gardening and grew beautiful plants in his backyard. He took the seed from the king and planted it in a pot with great care. Some weeks passed and he planted it with water and manure, but the plant did not appear. Pingala tried changing the soil and transferred the seed to another pot, but even by the end of 3 months, nothing appeared. Now we can see the new words meaning. Anxiously, that means worried. Anxiously means worried. Eager, interested. Eager, interested. Backyard, that means area behind the house. Backyard means area behind the house. Plant, plant give a lot. Manure, that means the waste matter of animals and plants used to enrich soil. Manure means the waste matter of animals and plants used to enrich soil. Transferred, that means shifted or moved to. Transferred means shifted or moved to. Okay, now we can see the explanation of this paragraph.
Then the next day, the parents were worried about their child should become the prince or the princess of the kingdom. They took as a chance to become a prince or princess. Everyone was interested to take a seed from the king and grow it. Now, Pingala, he was a poor farmer's son. He also came over there. He was very interested in gardening. He used to grow plants in his backside of the house. Here you can see the backside of the house. So he also took a seed from the king and he planted it in a pot with great love and care. Okay, he planted it in a pot with great love and care. Some weeks after, he gave a lot of water and manure to the plant, but the plant did not come up. Okay, then he became very sad and he tried to change the soil and he moved the seed to another pot, but the plant did not come up.
I hope you understood the first part of the story. Next what happened? That one is we will see in the next class. So dear children, you have to read the textbook thoroughly and study the new words meaning. We will see in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.